My grappler.
What do you mean?
Tom
What?
took it.
I actually left
Oh,
it.
Vito.
It's stuck in the sky.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Dude, Tom!
Kill Tom with it.
Tom, give me my grapple hook now.
I don't have it.
Tom. Tom, what? No, Tom. Where is it?
I don't have it. I don't have it.
Tom, seriously? I paid 2,000 for that. You're gonna have to help me get another one, okay? Right, let's go.
Oh, but I have one.
Tom! Why isn't my bag coming off?
Bye bye, buddy.
Why isn't...
Bye bye, buddy. Bye bye. Bye bye, buddy. Bye bye. Yeah.
Why?
My internet's
So bad.
Bye bye.
my stuff's gone.
You won't get out of the blooming.
Oh guys, where the hell is
Hell
the
no.
umbrella?
Wait. Let me. What happened?
I happened to have crossed this land here.
Find it.
Get back here. Oh hell no. Johnny!
Go
No,
fully
I
in the
won't
machine,
get
Tom.
in. I'm not getting in the machine.
I'm at 5k.
Nuh-uh. 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 No way. No way, Jose, buddy.
Told ya. So what happens when you pick up the look at his gap, bro. In the machine.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Okay, can.
I'm just gonna go check.
VR, I don't want to see this go.
Hello! Boo. Oh, shoot! I got a knife.
Be right back.
Taking his bag. You're not taking his bag, don't worry.
Dude, my dead body was like this over it.
Where's your light, Tom? You should have gone AFK in the safe zone. Go away, please, Tom, please. Tom, don't. Tom!
See you later, buddy.
Tom,
I didn't do anything. Oh, what a lovely smell. Oh, what a lovely smell.